So hi everyone, read this question carefully. First of all, read the question carefully. For the circuit shown, equivalent gate is. So A signal A is coming. It is going in this direction. Okay. A, since B is going like this, here B, here B, here A. Okay. This is NAND gate. So output will be AB. If this is not present, okay, then only AND gate is there, then AB is the output, but due to NOT gate, there is a bar. Similarly, here this is NOR gate, A plus B bar. Again, this is NAND gate, so output will be AB bar dot A plus B bar and one more bar. NAND. Okay, now see, like this. Okay, so bar A dot B, you know that A bar plus B bar. So if something, what is that? If you put bar, again one more bar, then this bar is cancel out. Okay, so this will be only AB. This is A plus. Or if you ask me, sir, how is it so, like, I can explain that also, but I think that is sufficient. Why am I saying that? Because for example, A is 0. If you put one bar, it becomes 1. If you put one more bar on this, it again becomes 0. Okay, the same signal. Okay, again you are getting A. Now AB plus A plus V, that is final output. Now you can draw AB and Y. Clear? What will be? You can take 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, and this is 1, 1. Alright? The final output will be, what will be the final output? Y. AB plus A plus B. So you can calculate, if you wish, you can calculate AB. You can calculate A plus B for your information. Okay. Then you can easily get Y. Okay. So AB will be what? Yes, 1, 0, 0, 0. This will be 1. Okay. This will be again 1, 1. That is 0. Now add these two. You will get Y. If you add these two, you will get Y. So 1 plus 1, that is on, on, on. Off, on, that is, it is simply like a OR gate. Okay. Because we are adding two things. A plus B. The same thing. If you take this X, this is Y. So Y is equal to X. You can take Y dash. Okay. So X plus Y dash is equal to some output. The same thing you are observing in OR gate. So even if you are not solving this, you can directly put the OR gate. Because in OR gate, if you notice that we have two signal A, B, let us suppose, then output is A plus B. Addition of two things. Addition of two things. Okay. Even if you uh, calculate here also, you will get the same thing. 1 minute. That is 1. Next is 0 plus 1. That is 1. 1. 1. So this A, B, and Y. Notice this 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the pattern. This is a truth table. Okay. This is ABY. This is truth table. And this truth table is similar to OR gate. Okay. So we are only seeing this. If you A, B or output only. Understood? So 0, 1, 1 we are getting. 1, 1 we are getting 1. Okay. 1, 0. we are getting 1, 0, 0, we are getting 0. So this is a truth table of OR gate. All right. This is the truth table. Okay, understood. Thank you.